In 2005, my husband's mom and dad passed within a year distance with colon cancer. They had the exact same cancer. And so then we fast forward to 3 months later, and our daughter was diagnosed with brain cancer. Within an 8-year span, we had 14 family members that were diagnosed with cancer. So this is something that was kind of taking a rampage through our family. And you then begin to realize like how important your memories are.
I think family is so important throughout the journey because they kind of keep you grounded, hold everything together for you. They're everything. They're your support, your fun, family's just everything. Once that diagnosis hit, what we knew as to be normal was no more. It just changed everything. I think the biggest thing for us going through treatment is that we constantly were looking forward to our next fun activity. We put it on the calendar, what's the next thing we're gonna look forward to? What's the next, even if it was something as simple as going out to ice cream.
Finding gaps of time where these families can come together and just be normal for a minute and get their legs underneath them and change the scenery that's super familiar to them with hospitals and medical treatments and the whole 9 yards that comes when you're diagnosed. And to be able to go and just kind of forget that. The greatest thing that we do is when patients come back and they're saying, we didn't even talk about cancer. The word wasn't even brought up. That's what really lights us up and makes our day. To be able to have people that will come back and say, we forgot about it, like we just lived like we did before. Cancer can only take away what we allow it to take away. It can't steal your joy, and it can't take your memories from you. One of the big things that we want these families to see is that cancer is just a word. It's not a sentence. So to be able to bring joy back to their lives and just restore relationship is so important to us.
Means so much to families like us. We just need a place to escape and reconnect and kind of forget about everything that we go through back home.
Adipsy provides rest and restoration to families that are in the battle of their life, to just be able to get away for a few moments and just rest and to give them hope for the future. I don't want them to think about cancer.